Alright, good morning everyone. We are now starting a new day in Tokyo. Alright, so we are going to head off to Sennoji and then we will be going for our bookmaking session. See everyone! So if anyone wants a tip on visiting Xendroz, first we need to be here at a lovely 8:30 to 8:45. Then make sure it's drizzling.
Yeah, make sure it's drizzling. How the hell can they do that?
I don't know, pray to the rain god or something.
Oh god.
You know, like Kobo?
Yeah, just pray for rain, huh?
Yeah, pray to Kobo. Pray to Kobo and you will eventually get the rain. The weather is amazing, minus a little bit of rain, but nothing a waterproof jacket can't solve. So maybe we can start with Zydus on the bookbinding experience thoughts.
Yeah, so the activity was actually kind of fun. You get to basically put pages and cover together into one book. I like the papers, especially the quality of it is really next level. I never seen such a high quality paper before.
Yeah, it must be witchcraft by the way they do it, right? So I just liked the pages so much that he decided that, despite the free 80 pages that was given to us, he said that, why not let me just get another 80 pages instead.
But otherwise, I actually found the entire activity to be immensely fun, including putting the books together, getting it cut nicely. You get to embroider your name, or
Hammer your name in.
Engrave your name, and do your printing onto the page and whatnot, which is I find very nice to customize. Any thoughts on your side?
I think a few things you need to note if you want to go for this is that one, the walking distance is a bit problematic, especially in the rain. So we were pretty drenched once we reached there. And to get back out to the cycle station is also another walk, right? There's one. Number two is that it's a maximum of 4 people per session, right? And you need to make sure that you book correctly because we selected the English options, right? And the place is a little bit small, but overall I think it's a really fun thing to have, right? All the embroidery, the step-by-step guide, I think it's something interesting, it's something that is fun to do, right? And if you are around Asakusa area, you have maybe like 2 hours to spare, right? I think it's really heavily encouraged for you to go and check this out. Alright, okay, so the rain is quite bad, so it's a sick shelter at the Bandai Museum itself. Alright, so we are going to finish up the Bandai Museum at level 2. Then after we are going to head off for Sky Tree to have some lunch and to just shop around. And then after we're going to go Akiba for more shopping.
Here comes the money!
So I don't think we will be talking much on this. So we will probably just cut through all our different shopping areas and everything. Alright, so just figure out, do something.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Phew, that was a lot of shopping that is done. We pretty much went our separate ways to shop. Well, Kami kind of dies alone. I also went to do some shopping for other people and had to go to Tokyo Station just to ship it. But we are not done yet. We still have more shopping. Yes, you heard it right. More shopping. See you tomorrow.